Welcome to our video on installing DSNVS on a server-based PC. We're going to begin by right-clicking on the DSNVS zip folder and selecting Extract All. Go ahead and accept the default directory and then take notice at the Show Extracted Files When Complete checkbox. We want to leave that check so that when this process is complete, it will automatically show us the extracted files. Once that is done, double-click the DSNVS installer folder and then double-click Install. This will begin the installation process. Take note at our requirements section here. Yours may appear differently. On our system, we already have most of the recommended requirements, which can be found in the YouTube description below. We're accepting the MS SQL 2012 installation because starting with DS version 7.17, it is required. So to continue installation, click Yes. This is a long process for the SQL installation, and this video has been modified to shorten time. Please keep in mind that your installation time may vary, but you can expect anywhere from 10 to 30 minutes for total installation. Once SQL is installed, we will begin installing the DS components. Now take note of this screen here. The remote software only and then the recording software only options. For the remote viewing, that's going to be DS Control Point, which is just the viewing client that does not install the recording software. For the recording software only installation, that will only install the necessary DS components. In this instance, we're going to select recording and viewing software, which is going to be 9 times out of 10 the default choice we want to go to, as it installs all the recording software as well as DS Control Point client. Just a note, when installing this on a client PC, we actually would prefer to use the DS Control Point standalone installation. Here you can see it is verifying the MS SQL Server installation. Just as another note, this does require Microsoft SQL 2012. If an older version of MS SQL is installed, it will stop at this point and inform you to install version 2012. This next section installs the necessary components. Now, why we're mentioning this is if you take a look, DS Admin used to be available as a standalone install in our older DS versions. That is no longer the case. If you're looking to remote manage a DS system, then I would recommend either RDP, WebEx, or any other clients that you would like to use for remote access into the server. DS Control Point is the client software. This will allow us to launch it on the server PC to view video, export video.